it's Chelsea. Welcome back to the Digital Art Elements through Illustrator video series. In this video, we're going to finish up this cat shape and we're going to round out those eyes and make them look 3D. It's not perfect, but it will work for my purposes. Let's round out these eyeballs with inflate. And let's make it not quite so stark, maybe by choosing diffuse. And we'll bring that intensity up a little bit so they're brighter. Here we go. For the eyes, let's play around with making the eyes a little bigger. Actually, let's do them together. Shift and hold and make them bigger together. That looks pretty strange. And again, in order to make these fit within the window, we're going to do the shape builder, hold down Option or Alt, and click to delete. And do the same thing over here. Okay, for these shapes, I will again do inflate, and we'll change the color. We'll make it we'll give him brown eyes. I want the eyes to be the same color, so I'm going to copy this hex number and do the same thing over here. And again, inflate, and we will diffuse the light so that it looks a little bit more natural. Bring up the intensity a little bit so it's brighter. Same thing on this one. Diffuse it. There we go. Now I'm going to do an effect with the shape tool. Grab my star tool and click. I'm going to increase by a lot. And we'll move this inside of the eye. That looks pretty good. If I hold Shift and Option or Alt, then it will get bigger at the same rate. I'll go ahead and make this a dark color. And again, I'm going to use my shape tool. But before I do that, I'm going to grab my move tool and I'll need to make a copy. Holding down Option or Alt and Shift. There we go. Select both objects. Now you can grab your shape builder, hold down Alt, drag across to get rid of the extra. And the same thing over here. Switch to the move tool. Select both shapes, grab the shape builder tool, hold down Option or Alt, drag across, and get rid of all of your unwanted spikes. Alright, that's not too bad. I'm going to add one more thing with I'll use the rounded rectangle tool. Come in here and make a little rectangle. We're going to turn it so that it's in line with the eyeball. Give it a gradient. And now we're going to make this opacity go away, 0. And we'll change it to white. Now you have a nice shine on that eye. Zoom out and show you what that looks like. And actually I want to switch those, so I'm going to take this over here. There we go. That's what that looks like. Now that I have one, I can just take it, hold down Option, and copy it. now I have two. There. Now that's a super simplified version of a 3D cat head, but it gives you a few techniques to work with. Once you've finished this or your shape, you'll be ready to move on to the next video and the very last element we'll be talking about.